Hello, my fellow Aldi addicts. It's Jackie. It's another Monday. I'm back at Aldi, and this week is exciting because I'm collaborating with Tiff of Small Town 6. She is a small town mom raising 4 children with her husband, and she likes to share her daily life on her YouTube channel. That's everything from cleaning routines, grocery hauls like the Aldi haul we're both doing today, DIYs, or even cooking. If you'd like to check out her channel, I have linked it in the description, and also at the end of this video, I am linking directly to her Aldi haul that she's sharing today. After this video, be sure to check out Tiffany. And Tiffany, thank you so much for collabing with me. Let's get into the store, get the goods, and don't forget, at the end of this, I'll share with you my meal plan, and any recipes will be linked below. Let's go. Okay, getting a baguette for dinner this week, $1.79. There's a few red stickers, but I'm not trying to stock up right now. None on the baguettes, though. Okay, we had no bread for toast this morning, and my son was so sad. Had to get more, $1.29. Okay, I'm gonna get 2 things of blueberries for snacks and lunches, $2.39. I swear, anytime I want to buy cauliflower at Aldi, they don't have any. Where is the cauliflower? Okay, I am gonna get Brussels sprouts, $1.99. I really love to roast these. I'm going to get a couple cucumbers, 65 cents a piece. And then I'm also going to get peas. These are really good in my kids' lunches. Very simple, same as the blueberries, $2.39. $2.79 lettuce for salads. Okay, this is new. I'm not going to get it because it doesn't seem like a good value to me, but it looks interesting. It's a pepperoni and cheese ring with dip in the middle, $4.99. I need heavy cream for Alfredo and for tomato soup, $4.69. A tub of butter. I like the one with olive oil, $3.49. We're having KFC bowls this weekend. I need a can of sweet corn, 50 cents. And then I'm also getting 6 cans of diced tomatoes for tomato soup, 85 cents for those. $4.79 for 10 pounds of potatoes. I'm making mashed potatoes twice this week. Need lots of taters. Okay, for salads, I'm gonna get black olives, really a staple in the Olive Garden copycat, $1.79. And then for myself, I'm gonna get artichoke hearts, $2.59. My daughter and I both like these. I bought these a few weeks back and we finally ate them, and my kids wanted them again in their lunches, $1.99. Juice boxes, $3.18. Okay, they have these nice folding reclining chairs. They're on sale for $40. We only have one of them here, but I haven't seen them in the past. Oh, look at these Mother's Day cards. So cute. Don't forget your mother. $2.49 for all these pop-up cards. They're adorable. I love them. Then they have the $1.49 ones. The pad folios. I bought these for my kids in the past. They love them. This bamboo tray. I have actually wished I bought these in the past for surgery recoveries for my daughter. And here I am, still not buying it. Insulated mugs. Window fans. Shoe racks. $19.99. Comforter sheet set. These I absolutely love for carrying my groceries. I have this one right here that I use every week. I also keep my bag in my bag. Aldi branded, $9.99, definitely worth it in my opinion. I'm 35 and have no need for this, but it's so cute. I kind of want to get it for my office. $3.99. They still have some Easter clearance for really inexpensive prices. 99 cents for these. Pasta. I have a shipment of my finished tabs arriving, but I'm out, so I'm getting these in the meantime, $3.99. I'm gonna get 3 toilet bowl cleaners, 1 to put behind each toilet in our bathrooms, $1.75, or just out of toilet bowl cleaner. Running low on flour and sugar, so I'm just gonna get 1 of each, and they're $2.19 a piece. if I can pick it up. Somehow I ran out completely of chicken and beef bouillon cubes. I don't use them all the time, but they're nice to have on hand. $1.69 a piece. Tube of basil for my soup, $2.49. I need fettuccine for fettuccine alfredo, $1.95. And $2.89 for a Parmesan shaker. I need a jar of marinara. I'm getting roasted garlic for $1.45 for our Instant Pot ziti. Even though it's called Instant Pot ziti, I'm going to use penne, 98 cents. I spy 3 of my unflavored waters. I'm going to get them at 89 cents a piece. I tried this earlier this year. It's so good. If you're looking to see if you want to try kombucha, it's really delicious. I've never seen it here before. Holiday ham. Some of it's really discounted. Bunch of gluten-free options. Trying to go slow for those of you that are gluten-free. They have big packs of meatballs, $13.99. Lobster bites, jumbo shrimp, mahi fillet, fettuccine, stir fries, crab cakes, clams, shrimp fried rice, different soups. There's duck, a bunch of different pizzas. Let's see, oven roasted chicken breast. Okay, it's $7.99. Let's see. And it's already diced. Interesting. Tempting, I'll tell you. I need hummus for Elsie's pita, $2.49. I need mozzarella, $3.79 for my ziti. $4.39 for Parmesan cheese for the Alfredo sauce. I am going to get the red bag chicken, $7.99 to go with the Alfredo. Air fry that. It's been a long time since we bought these. I'm getting green beans for a dinner side, 95 cents. $6.49 for a pail of ice cream. I'm getting this blueberry wine because it sounds really good to me with the Alfredo dinner, $3.99. Okay, so here's something new. They have balls, different basketballs, volleyball, soccer ball. Most of this stuff looks pretty familiar, like it's been here a while. Okay, I knew it wouldn't be the case, but I was hoping they'd have the chips from last week because those were good. And I would have bought probably the rest of them, but they're not here, darn it. But here's everything I got. Any guess for the total for the week? Okay, so my total was $105.36. Here it is bagged up. Let's get home and see the meal plan and the recipes. Okay, so our meal plan for the week, we have leftovers tonight. We ended up going to my in-laws this weekend, and that wasn't planned, and as a result, we just have lots of leftovers. And we're having Alfredo with fettuccine. I'm going to make the red bag chicken, roasted Brussels sprouts, also my blueberry wine. I'm going to make homemade tomato soup. I make that in the Instant Pot. Me and the kids love it, and it's colder this week after having 70s last week, so soup sounded good. I'm making ziti in the Instant Pot with salad, and we'll have the baguette with that. The dinner that we ended up not having last week because we went to my in-laws was the taco cups. So those will be this week. Basically, you take a tortilla cup and fill it with whatever taco toppings. I don't really have a recipe for that. I'm making chicken gravy. I still have lots of leftover chicken from Easter, so I'm going to make chicken gravy and put the chicken in it. Mashed potatoes, green beans, and homemade biscuits. And then also, I'm going to make so many mashed potatoes that we have plenty for the next night to have KFC bowls. My vegetarian mashed potatoes are like her favorite meal, so she'll be very happy this weekend. have enough biscuits to go with the KFC bowls as well. One thing to note is I am buying the popcorn chicken at a deli counter. They fry it there. It's really good and better than buying a frozen one. So we're going to make that. My puppy is angry that I'm not giving her my attention. So if you hear her, I'm sorry. Hi, Emmy. Okay, so that's the meal plan. Don't forget, recipes are linked below, and you should definitely go check out Tiffany's ALDI haul right now. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.